So here you go, HVAC Shack. This is my review of the GE. We're gonna do a startup of it once. And HVAC Shack, I don't know if you can tell, I don't know if it has a Rechi Precision, Quengan, or Matsushita compressor. You'll tell me in the comment section of this video. So right now,
Windows first.
Windows first. Oh, there goes the furnace. Or you have to...
Leave it there.
Unplug the fan. Hold on just a sec, you guys. This cord's tangled. Watch. Watch this. It does hiss.
Daddy, stop playing.
Let's see if the compressor should kick on.
I don't want you to play, okay?
I want to see if the compressor should kick on. Right?
Just hold, baby. Like that.
What are you doing? The leaf is not blowing.
No, it's not. Just think and see your GE.
This is for you, HVAC Shack. Let's see if the compressor should kick on. You know what? Yeah. Let's see if the... It has a 3-minute delay, I think.
What?
The compressor should kick on. It has a 3-minute delay. I'm hoping it will kick on. It has a walling fan motor, I believe. Maybe a Matsushita compressor. I'm hoping it will come on. Let's... Hold on a sec, I'm gonna do... Is it on cool?
Of course it's not.
Yeah, but the compressor should come on.
It's on cool low.
Yeah, it's on. Is the temp on 60?
Yes.
So the compressor should come on there. It's trying to start, I believe. Well, let me do something here, you guys. Hold on a sec.
Don't on and off, please.
High cool. Hasn't ran for a while, so that's why. It's vibrating a bit. Look at the condenser. You see that? It's working great. The fan is working great. The fan is working great.
Can you put better medium?
Just let's try medium.
Okay, better.
See if the compressor should kick on. Can I hold this by myself? Oh, there it goes. Yep, there it goes.
Okay. Wait. Ari, your camera is here. So
Oh, yeah.
you hold that so they can see your AC.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah. You can hear it.
Yep. I'm sure they can hear. You cover the camera.
It has a
with your
Matsushita
finger.
rotary, I think. Mama,
Yes.
can you sit in the couch?
You wanna sit here? Ari, you keep putting your finger on the camera. It's gonna. You cover the camera
Oh yeah.
with your hand. So hold it from here. Again, you put your hand, Ari.
Where do I have to hold it?
I told you from there. That's your. That's the best way. Keep it like that. They can see your G. That's Ari's G.
Is this a 12,000 or 11,000?
Stop putting your finger on the camera, Ari. Okay, so
You know,
this is
my GE. I believe it's a 12,000 BTU.
and we're gonna cool down a little bit.
We're gonna run it for, long. See
Yeah.
how it does.
But you're not gonna keep filming this, okay? That's it. Okay?
Yeah.
So
Look at that.
you like it?
You can hear the compressor is getting louder.
That's the compressor.
Yeah. I believe that's a Matsushita. A thing that's cold.
Feel the cold air coming. Nice.
I think it's a little bit cold, but
Ari. Okay, what do you wanna say, Ari?
we'll say goodbye and we'll see you later.
That's Ari's G, people.
That's my GE.
This is Ari.
That's blowing cold. It's in the 50s.
Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed his GE start.
Start up,
Uh-huh.
and we'll see you later. We'll see you in the next video.